Hello friends, today we are going to see how to submit a form. The form can be submitted in different ways, but here we will see the simple way to submit a form by using simple JavaScript or by using only button with type submit. How to do it? So this is our project. Now we have here a login page, login.html. Let's open it. Now we come down to the form. So the form is this one. We have here the form with ID form. So if you want this form to be submitted automatically after clicking this button login, then here for type button we change it to put type submit, or simply we remove this. Then after this action we remove it, we delete this action. Then after we come back here on the form opening tag, here we put action. Then we are going to put the file where the values will be submitted. So we say, for example, login.php. So let's suppose that the values will be submitted to login.php. Then after we put what we call methods, here we have two types of methods. We can use get or we can use post, but it is better to use post because when you use post, the values will not be shown on the address bar. Then after putting the action, so where the value will be submitted, and the post, the method to be used, then we save. After saving, let's open. Then say http as usual. This is this one. We'll come to login. Then we put username. Let's suppose that username is this email. And the password. Then we click login. So here they say not found because we don't have this file login.php. So this file login.php is where the value will be submitted, and later we will see how to create this PHP file so that it will be able to receive the values and process the request. So now here, let's come back here. Then if you want to submit this form using JavaScript, then here on type we put button, and we use the action on click. So remember that our function to submit is validate form. Then we put validate form. So it means the form will be validated, then after validating it, it will be submitted automatically. Also, there is another way to submit a form without using this action and the method post here. So this action and the method post here, we can use them in JavaScript. We can remove this form.submit, then we put other code that will submit the form without using this action and the method here on in the opening tag. So next time we will see how to submit this form without using this submit action. Also, there's another way to submit this variable email and the password to the PHP file that will process them without using this tag form. So in that case, we can remove this tag form here and remove this closing tag here. Then after that, we use only ID for email and only ID for password, and we use JavaScript to submit these two values. Also, we'll see how to use JavaScript to submit these two values without using a form. Thank you for watching. See you next time.